Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Java error in Minecraft Tlauncher. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up a Chrome and search Java SC development kit. Select the first site and scroll down. Under here you can able to see Windows option, select it. And next to x64 installer, select the link and it will start downloading. After getting download done, click on the installer, select yes and install it. Select next. After the installation done, just close it off here and now open up Tlauncher. Select the settings icon over here and select the settings and select selection Java next to select change and select browse option. And now go to this PC, local disk C, program files, Java, JDK file and select the open option and now select save. After saving it, just close it up here and click on the drop down in selection Java and select the JDK and select save option. And now you just need to select the install option and after the install done, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.